Welcome! In front of me I have a Google Pixel Watch 4 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the water lock mode on this watch. So the water lock mode is useful if, for example, you want to swim with your watch on or take a shower with your watch on. Basically it disables the touchscreen and it allows you to go into water with a watch on your wrist. Otherwise, the screen will go haywire because the watch is, not the watch, but the water is conductive, so it will interact with the screen and it will probably open a bunch of stuff and stuff like that. So it's very useful if you want to swim with your watch on, take a shower with the watch on, or generally enter the water with the watch on your wrist. And to enable it, you can press the crown button to wake up the screen, then swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. Scroll through the quick panel and look for this water droplet icon. And once you find it, you can tap on it. We have the description what the mode does. And then we can tap on the check mark to confirm and turn it on. And now the water lock mode is enabled. The icon is here, so you can tell it's enabled, but the touchscreen is off. You can't use it. Like I said, it will make the life easier when you enter the water with the watch on, because the touchscreen won't be going crazy. And to turn it off, you need to press and hold the crown button. And the icon will disappear after a few seconds. And now you should be able to use your touchscreen. And that's how you enable and how you disable the water lock mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.